Students, how are you? Grade 2, today we solve weekly assessment number 12. First group, choose the correct answer. Number 1, in the opposite figure, AD is the median in triangle ABC, and G is the point of intersection of medians is triangle. AD was equal 15 centimeters, then length of AG equal. AD divided to two parts from GD to GA, the ratio be 1 to 2, and GD half of EG, because AD is the median. Here we have median in this triangle. AD is the median, and G is the midpoint, and D here is the midpoint of BC, and G we called it the centroid point. Centroid point divided the median two parts. The ratio between them 1 to 2, from 1 to base. Okay, he asked about AG. He want to find the length what? AG here. We can divide it 15 to 3 parts. From A to D we have point here G. Okay, the ratio was what? 2 to 1. Then 15 we can divide the 15 divided by 3 parts. 15 divided by 3 equal 5. Then the length from GD will be 5 centimeter, and from A to G 5 plus 5 equal 10 centimeters. Then we have AG 10 centimeter and GD 5 centimeter. Understood? Then AG will be 10 centimeter. AG 10 centimeter. Understood this example or not? Again, we have median divided to two parts. From vertex will be 2 parts, and here 1 part. We have 15. The length was 15. 15 can divide it by 3 parts. 5 and 5 and 5. 5 plus 5 equal 10. Then this part will be 10 centimeters. Then AG equal 10 centimeters. GD half of AG, and AG will be 2/3 of 15. We can solve this example again. AG equal 2/3 product by 15. 15 divided by 3 5. 2 times 5 equal 10. It will be 10 centimeters, because AG it will be 2/3 AD. AG will be 2/3 of AD. Next question. We have triangle, opposite triangle. We want to find the length of AC. AC here is hypotenuse, and BD is the median. The median which drove from vertex. This vertex right angle triangle, then the median, length of the median half of the hypotenuse. Then ED twice to DP. But we haven't here GD. We can find the length of GD. He gives us in the example, BD is the median in triangle. At E and G is the midpoint of the section of the median of the triangle, and GD was 6 centimeters. In the length of GB it will be half of 6, it will be 3 centimeters. Okay, then the median will be 6 plus 3 equal 9 centimeters. Okay, if we have here right angle triangle, like this, and this median here, and this point G intersection about the medians, we call that centroid point. The centroid point G divided 6 and 3. This side segment 6 centimeters, this side ligament here will be 3 centimeters. 6 plus 3 equal 9 centimeters. In the line segment of the median will be 9. 9 half of 18 centimeters. Then the answer will be 18 centimeters. Second question. The following figure finds the parameter of triangle EFG. He want to find triangle of Z. We can solve this example by the proof. Look at her first step. When I solve with you, look at with me, okay, and write the answer with me. First step, we can write in triangle ABC. We have such that E and F. Look at here. E and F are midpoint of, we have E half of AB and EC, midpoint of AB and EC. And also we can prove that now CE and then CE and BF are medians. Okay, we prove that now the medians because CE draw from the vertex C to the midpoint of the opposite side, and also BF. Then have medians in triangle, and then CE intersection to BF at the point G. The intersection at point G, then C is centroid point. So we can find GF. GF, it will be half of PG. Half of 6 equals 3 centimeter. Okay, the side length will be 3 centimeter. GF, and also we can find the length of EG. It will be half of GC. Half of 10 equal 5 centimeter. It's relation number 2. And then we have mid segment. EF is the mid segment. It will be half opposite of line segment PC. Half of 12 equals 6 centimeter. It's relation number 2. From 1 and 2 and 3 we can find the parameter of triangle GBC equal 3 plus 5 plus 6 equal 14 centimeter. Next question. Now we have a triangle, right angle triangle, and we want to prove that this triangle equilateral. We want to prove triangle EDC is equilateral triangle. Okay, we know ED half of BC. How? Because ED is a median. He give us in the example such that in triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Measure of angle A was 90 degree and AD is a median. So AD will be half of BC. Okay, it's meaning ED equal to AC. Then we have isosceles triangle. Then in triangle ADC we have also measure of angle C equal 60 degree. Then this triangle will be equilateral triangle because we have angle 60 degree and isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle and angle C is 60 degree. Then this triangle will be equilateral triangle. Then triangle ADC and equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Next question. Is the opposite figure. Give us the length of AC was 10 centimeter. Do you want to find the area of this triangle? First step, we can prove this triangle is right angle triangle. How this? By the inverse about the theorem. First step, we have here BD is the median, right, in triangle ABC, such that BD half of AC. Okay, and also he give me BD is a median. Is a median. Okay. Then measure of angle B will be 90 degree. Then from Pythagoras theorem we can find the length of BC. And BC power 2 equal AC power 2 subtract by AP power 2 equal 100 subtract by 36 equals 86. We have 64. Okay, 64. 100 subtract by 36 equals 64. Then BC will be square root of 64 equal 8 centimeter. Equal 8 centimeter. Then we can find the area of triangle. Then area equal half times base times corresponding height. Half product by BC product by AB. Then half product by BC was 8 centimeter product by 6. Half of each 4. 4 times 6 is 24. And the area will be 24 square centimeter. Next question. Second group. First question, choose the correct answer. We have here, right, we have triangle. And also ED was 15 centimeter. He give example, ED was 15 centimeter. He wants to find length of GD. GD is a third of the median. GD equal third of the median. Okay, third of AD in third product by 15. It will be 5 centimeters. Remember, I explained this first question of the model. This median length 15. 15 we can divide it by 3. First step 15 divided by 3 equal 5 centimeters. In the length here in the base 5 centimeters and the up 5 plus 5 is 10 centimeters. In the answer about GD it will be 5 centimeters. Next example. We have right angle triangle and also you want to find the length of AC. AC here is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse twice of BD. Then we can find the length of GD first. GD it will be half of PG because BD is the median. Then the ratio between GD and GB it will be 1 to 2. So GD half of 4 equal 10 centimeters. 2 centimeters. Then the median BD will be 2 plus 4 equal 6 centimeters. Then EC twice of the median twice of 6 equal 12 centimeters. Next example. Find meter of triangle EGF. Okay, we have median and ABC respectively a section. Okay. Now we can prove CE and BF are medians in this triangle. Look at, we can write step. We have right in triangle ABC, E and F are midpoints of AB and AC respectively. Then BF, BE, okay, BF, okay, BF and CE are medians. They are what? Medians and intersection at one point G. And such that BF intersection with CE at the point G. Okay, intersection 1 point. Then EG it will be half of GC. Okay, look here, EG half of GC. And also GF is half of BG. The length here will be half of GC, it will be 10 centimeters, and half of EG we have here GF half of BG, half of BG equals 6 centimeters. EF will be mid segment. The mid segment here half of the opposite side, half of 24, half of the length BC, it will be 12 centimeters. Then the perimeter from relation 1 and 2 and 3, perimeter of triangle EFG, it will be collect together 10 plus 6 plus 12. It will be 28 centimeters. Next triangle, we have right angle triangle here. Third case also. We want to prove that triangle equilateral triangle. Triangle ADC, equilateral triangle houses. We have here ED is a median. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle ABC. Measure of angle A was 90 degree. And AD is a median. Is a median in this triangle. Then ED will be half of BC. Half of BC, it's meaning AD will be equal to DC, and such that measure of angle A was 90 and measure of angle B is 30. Then measure of angle C will be 60 degree. Measure of angle C equal 60 degree. Then we have isosceles triangle, and the measure of inside angle equals 60. Then it will be converted from isosceles to equilateral triangle. Okay, then triangle ADC is an equilateral triangle. It will be equilateral triangle. Okay. Next question. In the opposite, we want to find the area of this triangle. First step, we must prove that of angle B equal 90. By the inverse, he gives us the information BD is the median, such that in triangle ABC, AD is a median in triangle, and we have BD half of AC. Okay, then measure of angle B will be 90 degree. Okay, now we can find the length of BT from Pythagoras theorem. Then BC power 2 equal to AC power 2 subtract by AP power 2. AC power 2 it will be 400. Subtract by 12 power 2 will be 144. 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 4 5, 3 minus 1 2. Then BC it will be square root of 256 equals 16 centimeter. Then area of triangle will be half times base times corresponding height. Half of BC was 16 and the height was 12. Half 16, 8, 8 times 9, 8 times 12 equal 96 square centimeter. Next question. Next group. Third group. We have the same questions. Do you remember about it? But now he changed the sign. Length of ED. Change. ED was 30 centimeter. Okay. He won't find the length of what? The length of GD, and GD third of the median. Third of the median, okay? Third of 30, it will be 10 centimeter. And GD third of 30. 30 divided by 3 equal 10. And GD will be 10 centimeter. It shows letter B. Next question. Okay, understood this example. Okay, next question is the opposite figure. We have right angle triangle, and the median BD we can find the length. We know GD will be half of 8, it will be 4 centimeter. GD will be 4 centimeter. 4 plus 8 is 12. And the median here will be 12 centimeter. 12, it will be half of what? Half of 24. Because we have right angle triangle. Then the hypotenuse, we have this side ligament here. AC we called it what? Hypotenuse. In the hypotenuse it will be twice of the median because we have right angle triangle. Then AC twice of BD. BD was 12. 12 times 2 is 24. Next question. The following figure and F midpoints. You want to find the parameter of this triangle. Okay. The same questions I solved from 5 minutes about model number 1, model 2. It's the same idea. First step, we can write the first line from this information here. Right here in triangle first. in triangle ABC. When you write the proof, you must start the name of triangle first and then write the properties to give us information. We have E and F. Right from this information up, you know E and F are the midpoints of A, B, and AC. Then you can write BF and CA are medians. They are medians in this triangle. Okay, and they are intersection at one point. And also can write BF intersection by CE equal point G. Then GF will be half of BG. It will be 9 centimeter, relation number 1. And also we have EG half of BG. Wait, we have GF and EG half of, look at here, EG half of EC. Half of 30 equal 15 centimeter, relation number 2. Now we can find the mid segment. F will be the mid segment. It will be half opposite line segment BC. Half of 36 equal 18 centimeter, relation number 3. From 1 and 2 and 3 we can identify parameter. Parameter of B here revised to parameter. Okay, B parameter of triangle EFG we can collect together 9 plus 15 plus 18, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 9 22, 2 and carry up 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, it will be 42 centimeter. Next question, we have right angle triangle and give us opposite angle here 120 degree. We want to prove that this triangle equal to triangle. First step, we know the measure of straight angle equal 180, such that we can start such that D point to line segment BC and measure of angle ADB equal 120 degrees. Then measure of angle ADC equal 180 subtract by 120 equal 60 degree. Now we have this angle 60 degree. Next step, we can prove that AD such that measure of angle D was 90 degree. In this triangle, this angle was 90 degree. Okay, and AD is the median. AD is the median. Then AD will be half of BC. Okay, then AD will be equal DC. It's meaning this triangle will be isosceles. And we have also angle 60. Then triangle ADC convert from isosceles triangle to equilateral is an equilateral triangle. It's equilateral triangle because angle here is 60 and isosceles. If we have 60 degree and isosceles, convert from isosceles to equilateral triangle. Now we have we have triangle here. Prove that this triangle is right first to find the area. Okay, first step, we have here BD is the median in this triangle, such that in triangle ABC we have BD is the median, and also the length of BD equal half the length of opposite side HC, which is the opposite angle B. The measure of angle B, okay, equal 90 degrees. The inverse about serium, measure of angle B equal what? Equal 90 degree. Measure of angle B equal 90 degree. Then we can find the length of BC from Pythagoras theorem. BC power 2 equal to AC power 2 subtract by AP power 2 equal 25 subtract by 9 equals 16 centimeters, and BC equal square root of 16 equal 4 centimeters. Then the area equal half times base times height. 5 on 4 times 3. Half 4 2 2 times 3 6 square centimeter. Understood? Last question.